Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedy.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you remove wrinkles skin whitening remedy that whiten the skin tone and removes fine lines, dark spots, black spots, and will get you fair, spotless and glowing skin naturally. The ingredients are very simple to prepare this remedy, and it's super effective in whitening skin tone and remove wrinkles and fine lines naturally. This remedy, guys, you need to use 2 times a week to achieve the best results. From first week you will notice a great results with that remedy in whitening skin tone and in wrinkles and overall skin firm. You'll find your skin firm and as baby skin naturally. The first ingredient we need to add is around 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, yani ki healthy, and I'm going to leave the ingredients into the description box for you, so check it out. Then we need 1 tomato. Cut the tomato in half like so. Then we need to use 2 capsules of vitamin E. Here I'm using 1000 milligram vitamin E. We need 2 capsules of vitamin E. Cut the capsule like so. Vitamin E is a magical ingredient in removing wrinkles and in whitening the skin tone naturally. It is so amazingly effective, so I recommend you get vitamin E and use it with the remedies. Then, my friends, we need sweet almond oil, and we need to add around 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil. Now mix well all the ingredients like so. Once you mixed and combined all the ingredients together, place it on the tomato like that. And gently rub it on your skin and rub it on your face, and you're going to notice a great results with that remedy. Once you use it from first use, you will notice a great result in skin whitening and removing wrinkles and fine lines.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.